Yeah. So xy is equal to 1, which means y is 1 by x or 1 by 8 plus 3 root 7. So rationalize the denominator, 8 minus 3 root 7 divided by 8 minus 3 root 7. So you get 8 minus 3 root 7 over 8 the whole squared minus 3 root 7 the whole squared, which is 8 minus 3 root 7 divided by 64 minus 3 into 3 is 9 and 9 7 is 63. 3 root 7 into 3 root 7. 3 root 7 into 3 root 7. 3 3s are 9. Root 7 into root 7 is 7. And 9 7 is 63. So this is 64 minus 63, 1, which is nothing but 8 minus 3 root 7. So now we have the expressions for x and y with a rational denominator, 1. Okay. Next, we need to find the value of x plus y. You need to find the value of x plus y. Okay, x plus y. X is 3 plus 8 plus 3 root 7 plus y, 8 minus 3 root 7. So x plus y is equal to 16. Okay, that's it. Now square this on both the sides to find the value of x squared plus y squared. Cube this on both the sides. This meaning we have an equation x plus y is equal to 16. X plus y is equal to 16. Square this equation on both the sides to find the value of x squared plus y squared. This equation x plus y is equal to 16. Cube this equation on both the sides to find the value of x cubed plus y cubed. That's the procedure. Yeah, now you can complete it by yourself. Continue. How do you expand a plus b the whole cube?
A plus b plus 3ab into a plus b.
Into a plus b. So it will be x cubed plus y cubed plus 3xy into x plus y. X cubed plus y cubed plus 3xy into x plus y is equal to 4096. So x cubed plus y cubed plus 3 into 1 into, because xy is 1, 16 is equal to 4096. X cubed plus y cubed plus 48 is equal to 4096. Yeah, subtract and 4048. Done, children?
Yes, miss.
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Completed, all of you? Wasn't that a simple question, children? Xy is equal to 1 means y is equal to 1 by x. So 1 by 8 plus 3 root 7. Rationalize the denominator and find the expression for y. Now you have x, you have y. You just need to find x plus y. That's all. Once you have the equation x plus y is equal to 16, square this equation on both the sides to find the value of x squared plus y squared. Cube this equation x plus y is equal to 16. Cube this on both the sides to find the value of x cubed plus y cubed. That's it. Remember the procedure. Try this one. There's still time to learn. Don't worry. Don't feel low. Okay. There's still time. You just need to become more responsible. I'll be sharing questions regularly as homework for practice. So we'll be good in some time. Don't worry. So this you have to work in 3 steps, right? First one, second one, third one, step 1, step 2, step 3, and in step 4, you subtract. Step 1 minus step 2 minus step 3. Do this. Completed? Gayatri and Yarni completed? Harsha?
Ma'am, I'm working on a third step, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, that's it. You should have finished by now. What's the answer for step 1?
730.
Tell me again.
730. 230
Yeah.
230 minus 3.
Okay. Yours?
730 minus 21.
No. Yeah. Step 1 answer. Yes. That's the answer. Minus.
7 to 9.
Is that what you're getting? Step 1 answer. No. Yeah. No, wait. Answer in step 1. No, that's very slow. So yeah. Root 21. Tappu. Darshan. Gayatri, step 1 answer.
7 root 30 minus 21, ma'am.
Yarni, Harsha. Gayatri, denominator என்னாச்சு? 10 minus 3, 7 இருக்குல்ல denominatorல. அந்த 7, 7 cancel பண்ணலையா?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
நீ நார்மலா 1 தான் வரும், அது 1 நினைச்சு விட்டுட்டேன்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
Yes, ma'am.
Should not take things for granted. Okay, you are right, darling. Rahul is right. Root 30 minus 3. You're right, Rahul. Others check where you have gone wrong. So this is the rationalizing factor, right? Yeah. Surya. Then next we need to multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. A plus b into a minus b is a squared minus b squared, right? Then don't multiply. We'll just wait. We'll see what happens in the denominator. We can always multiply in the last step. Just wait and see what happens, what value you're getting in the denominator. So we are not multiplying in the numerator. Root 10 the whole square is 10. Root 3 the whole square, 3. 10 minus 3, 7. 10 minus 3, 7. So cancels. And now what is it? Root 3 into root 10. Root 30. Minus root 3 into root 3. 3. Isn't it simple?
Actually, have done correctly up to the last step.
Huh?
The previous step. I've done it correctly.
சரி அதுக்கப்புறம் என்னாச்சு புரியும் கரெக்டா பண்ணணுமா okay yeah okay this is step 1. Step 2. Yeah, well, you should tell me the answer. Yeah, step 2.
Final answer.
Final answer, yes.
Minus 230 plus 2.
No.
How is it? 230 minus 10.
Correct. 2 root 3, that's for step 2. Correct.
230 minus
2 root 30 minus 10 is for step 2. Yes. Yeah.
2 and minus and minus will be plus. Multiplied minus and minus.
Yeah, plus.
Then we multiply minus with 5 into minus with 5 comes to plus.
Yeah.
Then how can we minus 2?
No, you're talking about the answer you have got, is it? You feel you've got the right answer. No, let me just work and you can ask me. Ah.
230 minus 15.
Not 15. 2 root 13 minus not 15. What is 2 root 5 into root 5? Root 5 into root 5 is 5 into 2, 10. By 6 minus 5, 1. One second, I'll just come there. 1 second. 3 root 2 by root 15 plus 3 root 2. Yeah.
Then it is minus 30 plus 4 minus 2.
No. Have we written the question correctly? 7 root 3, 2 root 5. Yeah. Okay, for step 3.
30 plus 6.
Ah, there you have gone wrong. Step 2. This is not right. This into this is 2 root 30. And then 2 root 5 into minus root 5. 2 root 5 into root 5. Root 5 to root 5 is 5. Into 2, 10. Oh, this is 10, is it? Huh? You know how it looks. You've written something and you. Oh, yeah, this is right. Correct.
Minus
A simple something, a very simple thing is missing.
minus or plus.
Yeah, a sign is missing.
Then it is a minus.
Yeah,
Minus.
yeah.
Yeah.
Ah,
Minus root 15 minus 3. Then it will be 13.
yeah. But step 3, is it? No. Let's do it together. See, all of you have this, right? The step.
Minus
Now, what is 3 root 2 into root 15? What is root 2 into root 15? Root 30. Root 30. Okay, so 3 root 30 minus 3 root 2 into 3 root 2. 3 3s are 9. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. 9 2s are 18. Over 15 minus 18. Right? No, but why did we multiply? See, I told you don't multiply. Don't multiply. We'll just wait for the denominator to happen. I'm sorry. It's not wrong to multiply, but don't multiply because you can always cancel out. What did we get? 18, na? 18 minus what we got? Oh, sorry, 15.
15 minus 18.
15 minus 18. So this is 3 root 2 into root 15 minus 3 root 2 over minus 3. Not 3, minus 3. Rahul. You wrote?
It's
Now-
not.
Now minus and minus gets cancelled.
Many minus.
Yeah. Now take the minus sign to the numerator. Root 3 and 3 gets cancelled. So don't multiply the numerators. Don't multiply 3 root 2 with the terms inside the bracket. Just wait. So now we have minus 3 in the denominator. So 3 and 3 gets cancelled, right? So now we'll have to multiply. The minus goes to the numerator. This is step 3, continue. Okay. Minus in the denominator, take it up to the numerator. So minus root 2. And in brackets, we have root 15 minus 3 root 2, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So this gives you minus root 30 plus 6. Right? Did you get this?
Yes.
You got it? Right. Step 4 is step 1 answer minus step 2 minus step 3. So what do we get in step 1?
Answer is minus 2 root 13 minus 13.
Yeah, complete this. No, I'm coming there. I'm coming there. Nobody come here, please. Can ask this. How to multiply? Okay. Yeah, no, okay, root 4 is 2, no? Root 2 to root 2 is 2. You should not write root 4. Root 2 to root 2 is 2. Root 3 to root 3 is 3. Root 5 to root 5 is 5. That's right. Root 4 is correct. But what is the value of root 4? 2, right? Yeah.
I made a mistake in that.
But yeah,
I made a mistake in the first step.
in the fourth step. What happened?
So my dad he used the addressing. I didn't use the
Bracket. It's very important. See, after the minus sign, there is more than one term. After the minus sign, there's more than one term. You have to use the bracket.
so that
If it is only one term, then it's okay. But when there's more than one term, see, in every step you have 2 terms. So that minus is important because that minus is applied to every term inside the bracket. Correct. It's 1. The answer is 1. Minus 2 root 30 plus 10 plus root 30 minus 6. So root 30 and root 30 is 2 root 30 minus 2 root 30 cancels. Minus 3 minus 6 minus 9 plus 10 is 1. So the learning is through this answer, the learning is do not multiply, the numerators like. So don't multiply 7 in step 1, don't multiply 7 root 3 with the terms inside the bracket. Are you all listening?
Yes.
In step 1, do not multiply 7 root 3 with the terms inside the bracket. We'll just wait for the denominator to happen. And the denominator is to our favor. We got a 7 in the denominator. So 7 and 7 gets cancelled. And in the next step, also the denominator is 1. Okay, then you multiply. It's 1. So then you multiply 2 root 5 with the terms inside the bracket. In step 3 also, see, don't multiply. We'll have to wait and see what the denominator is. And it is minus 3. So you can cancel out this 3 and 3 you can cancel out. Now there's a minus in the denominator. You cannot let it go like that. Take that minus because it's minus 1 in the denominator. So take that 1 you can ignore. The minus sign you cannot. You take that minus to the numerator. So it becomes minus root 2. Minus root 2 it becomes. So it's minus root 2 multiplied with these terms inside the bracket and that gives you this. And step 4 is minus and Rahul, see, though he got all the answers, step answers correct. He went wrong in the last step because he did not use a bracket. He just wrote minus and the terms as it is. So he did not apply the minus sign to both the terms. That's how we did not get the right answer. And so you see, bracket is very important. Step 1 answer in bracket minus step 2 answer in bracket minus step 3 answer in bracket. If the connecting sign was plus, you don't have to use a bracket. If it was plus, if it was step 1 plus step 2 plus step 3, then you can just write it directly. You don't have to use the brackets. It's minus. Okay, so it's 1. All right, next one. Online children completed? Yeah, so here,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, so do that. All of you rate yourself, rate your answer. Rating for all of us is 10 on 10. So all of us can do it with effort. Okay, but at this moment, the rating for your answer is whatever. Okay, next one. Okay, let's take a simple question to feel good. Yeah. Do this. Yeah,
Root 3 divided by 2.
close yet wrong. அதே numbers தான் ஆனா ஏதோ மிஸ்டேக் இருக்கு 3 2 numbers correct ஆனா ஏதோ தப்பு you're wrong. Yeah, others. Online children, you're supposed to evaluate yourself. I'm meaning evaluate your answers. The first one is for 3 marks. Tell me the total at the end of the class. The first one is for 3 marks. Second one is 4. This is 4 marks. Each step carries 1 mark. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Each step carries 1 mark. Yeah, this is a 1 mark question. What's the answer, Harsha? Online students, what's the answer for this one?
I got it as 3/2.
Correct. Gayatri gets 1 mark. 3/2 is the right answer. Nobody here. Hello. Yeah, sorry, children. So you need to find the prime factors of 162, or an easier method is 162 is 81 into 2. So you find the prime factors. Okay, and this is 36 into 3. And this is 36 into 2. And this is 16 into 3. See, you can do it like this, or you can, what is, you find this 162, this method to go on like this. So you will get square root of 81. No? So 3 3s are 2 into 3 3s are 9. 9 9. Right? You will get this plus square root of. You do this. It's the same. Okay. So I'm writing every number as a product of a perfect square and another number. I'm writing 162 as a product of a perfect square, 81 and another number, 81 into 2. 108 is 36 into 4, 36 into 3, 72, 36 into 2, 48, 60 into 3. You can choose to write it like this, or you can find all the prime factors and write it like this. You'll get the same answer. So here it's going to be 9 root 2 plus 6 root 3, correct? Divided by 2 root 2, 6 root 2 plus 4 root 3. Now what's common in the numerator? 3 is common, no, the numerator? 3. So 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. And what's common in the denominator? 2. 2 3s are 6. Root 2 plus 2 2s are 4 root 3. So you can see that we have the same expression in the numerator and denominator. So it's 3/2. 3/2. You don't have to rationalize. Yeah. Then no marks. See, same thing you will get. So here you will get 2, 2, 3, 3, 3 divided by, see, are you all listening to me?
Yes.
Divided by square root of 2, 2, 3, 3, and one more 2 you will get plus square root of 2, 2, 2, 2, and 3. All right. So,
Will we get the same answer even if we rationalize?
you don't have to, yeah, you will, you should. You should, and you will. So see here, 1, 2, 3, 4 threes. So 2 threes will come out. So 9 root 2 plus, we have 2 threes and 2 twos. So 6 root 3 divided by, again, 6 root 2 plus 4 root 3. They're the same thing. 3 by 2. Okay, so Gayatri gets 1 on 1. So what do you have to do? Find the prime factors. 162, 108, 7. You cannot add. You cannot add 102 and 108 and put it under the same square root. That's wrong. Just to do something, you cannot do that. Simply because we have to do something and get the answer, you should not add. You cannot add them. You cannot add. Prime factorization is the only method. And don't try to rationalize the question directly. Because you remember, to rationalize the denominator, you need to first write the terms in the denominator as a mixed surd. Like root 72 should be written as 6 root 2. Root 48 should be written as 4 root 3. You cannot rationalize as it is. Prime factorization is the only root. When you do that, you are able to express, see, this is called a pure surd. Square root of 162 is called a pure surd. And 9 root 2 is the mixed surd. You need to express square root of 162 as 9 root 2. If a pure surd can be expressed as a mixed surd, you should do that. Square root of 162 is a pure surd. You can write it as a mixed surd using the prime factors of 162. So you should do it. Every number here, every term here can be expressed as a mixed surd. Like we say a mixed fraction, no, 3 1 by 2 is a mixed fraction. 7 by 2 is an improper fraction. So if it's an improper fraction, you have to write it as a mixed fraction, right? That's what we have learned in standard 3, 4. You should not leave an answer as an improper fraction. You must write it as a mixed fraction. In the same way here, if a surd can be written as a mixed surd, you should do that. And to do that, you should use the prime factors of the number. So when you do that, then you can, and take note common. That's one very important thing in mathematics. Taking out the common factor. When there's something common in an expression, take out that common factor. See, at this stage, it looked so complicated, like, oh, you end up under the. But once you took 3 common in the numerator and 2 common in the denominator, everything became so simple. You just had to slash and say 3 by 2's answer. Right? Till this step, it was like, oh, yo, 1 mark question ki innu enna pandrathu. But the minute you took out 3 and 2 common, slash and 3 by 2 is answer. Okay. Next one. Okay, this also is a 1 mark question. 1 mark. The time up. Now these are the things. Yeah, correct. That's the right start. Correct. Yeah. Values. Correct. Okay. Okay. I can see Vived and Rahul, they've started correctly. So here, the terms are in the radical form. You need to first put them in the exponential form. The question correct. Yeah. It's in the radical form. Three into cube root of 48, is it? What is it? 3 into 48 root of 3. Okay. So what is cube root of, how do you write cube root of 3 in the exponential form? 3 to the power 1 by 3 into fourth root of 3 is 3 to the power 1 by 4. And 243 is what? 3 to the power 5, right? Sometimes you need to remember so that you can save time. So this is 81 times 3, 27 times 3 nines are 3 threes are 3 ones are. Okay, so yeah, so 243 is 3 to the power 5 and the whole power 1 by 4. That's it. Next step, 3 power 1 by 3 into 3 power 1 by 4 into 3 power 100, 5 by 4. Multiply the powers 5 by 4. Now, when bases are same and it's multiplication, we add the powers. So it's going to be 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 5 by 4, correct? So it is 3 to the power, 4 is the common denominator. Oh, no, not 4, 12. Sorry, 12. So 4 plus 3, right?
Yes, miss.
Plus 5. And that is 3 to the power 12 by 12, which is 3 power 1, which is 3. Yeah. Oh, yeah. No, that's what I was thinking. This is 12 root. That's what I was, sorry. Okay, then maybe for the question I give them. No, actually I had a doubt when it was 4 in both the cases. It's 12 children, sorry. I need to check my power. I have difficulty in reading. I'm so sorry for the question. It's 12 out here, children.
The answer will be changed.
Yeah, correct. So you can give yourself 1 on 1.
You have to read this question. This.
Yeah. Right? So first write all the terms in the exponential form. 243 is 3 to the power 5. The whole power 1 by 12. All right, so that becomes 5 by 12. Now the bases are same, it's 3 everywhere. So when bases are same and it's multiplication, we add the powers. So add the powers. Common denominator is 12. And you get 12 by 12, which is 1. So it is 3. 3 power 1, which is 3. 1 on 1, if you're right. I had made a mistake in writing the question. But if for that question you got, meaning if your procedure was something like this, then you can give yourself 1 on 1. Though you would have got a different answer for that. If you can relate that procedure to this 1 on 1, else no.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
here, okay. Next one. Three-mark question.
Yeah.
3 marks. No, you cannot find the value of n because it's an expression, it's not an equation. Only for an equation you can find the value of n. In an expression, you can only simplify.
I'm finished. Tell me about data. It's completed. Yeah. So I got the answer as 53 by 18. 23. 53 by 23.
Yeah. Sorry?
53 by 18.
$28 by 18. Huh? Okay.
53 by 18.
Okay. Online children, what's the answer for this one? Hurry, let's look faster.
Ma'am,
Ah,
I got it as 14 by 9.
correct.
Oh,
Correct.
I remember doing this last year, ma'am. We did the same question last year.
Oh. Okay, yeah. 8 and exponentially in the Mari Panu. Correct.
Oh,
Very
ma'am,
good.
the same question, ma'am.
Ma, I do. Yeah, I pick exponents. Na 8th, 9th and the Okay. Yeah, you're right. Correct. Haridarshan. One on. This is 3. 3 on 3.
Only steps correct.
Okay. So see, the first step is this is for 3 marks. The first step is 7 to the power n into 7 to the power 2. See, in the power, what you see, n plus 2. Okay, so it should have been 7 to the power n into 7 to the power 2. Then the base are same, 7. And it's multiplication. So you add the powers and that's when you get 7 to the power n by 2. N plus 2, right? You are writing the earlier step. For all this, you should write the earlier step. See, if you have this, what should be the earlier step? 7 to the power n into 7 to the power 2. Bases are same and it's multiplication. So we add the powers and we get 7 power n plus 2, right?
Yes, please.
Minus 3 into 7 to the power n into
7 to the power 1.
7 power 1.
Divided by 20 into 7 to the power n minus 2 into 7.
That's all. Should write the earlier step. You understand when I say, am I clear when I say earlier step? Rahul? We have n plus 2. So what it should have been? 7 power n into 7 power 2. So base are same 7 and it's multiplication. So add the powers. That's it. Now you just have to take out common. See, this is one expression, another expression, and between these two, 7 power n is common. So you get 7 squared minus 7 power n common at the bracket. 7 squared minus
3 minus 3 into 7.
3 into 7, 21, 21. Or you can write 3 into 7.
48.
Or you can write 3 into 7 divided by 7 power n common again, 20 minus 2, correct? So now cancels. 7 squared is 49 minus 21 over 18. And when you subtract, you get 28 by 18. So on simplifying, 14 by 9. Right?
I made a mistake. I made a mistake. 7 square minus 3 into, but I answered that is 7 minus 3. 3 minus
Oh.
and multiplication.
No, but did you split the expression like this?
Yes, I did 50x. No, I did.
You don't think cancel over the thing. But when you do this, so you after we start the constitute.
Yes, after I started.
Like I wrote the first step and then you finish it faster. Okay, so you should decide if you can give yourself marks because that is the important step. Taking down 7 power n plus 2 as 7 power n into 7
No, but before you told that in power 7 into 7 square. Before sir, I started.
If you think yes, time has a top now, 2.5.
I did. This I didn't split it out. Miss. Instead, I went.
But after 100, what is that? Answer, right?
Yes, miss.
Okay, next one. Yeah, try this. 2 marks. Yeah.
Mom, mom,
Yeah, what's the answer?
mom, I got it as minus 3,489 by 28.
Maybe you have to simplify it.
Still,
Yeah, maybe because I have a similar answer, but maybe it's a reduced version of your answer. I'm not sure. No, you should write it in the exponential form to simplify.
Just divide 4 minus 5 power 36.
That answer. Be complicated. So what 128? 2 to the power? 2 to the power 7. 2 raised to the power 7. But there's already power minus 2 by 7. So multiply minus 2 by 7, correct? Then minus. Okay, what is 625? 5 to the power 4. 5 to the power 4. But there is this power minus 3 and there's also this power minus 1 by 4. Then plus 14 into, what about 2401? 7 to the power 4. 7 to the power 4. 49 into 49. Right. So, and then there's the power minus 1 by 4. Like that. So now in the next step, the 7 and 7 gets cancelled. right? So we have 2 to the power minus 2 minus here you have to multiply the powers 4 into minus 3 into minus 1 by 4. 4 into minus 3 into minus 1 by 4. So what happens? 4 gets cancelled. So it's 3. It's 5 to the power 3. Can you see? Or you can just show that step. 5 to the power 4 into minus 3 into minus 1 by 4 plus 14. Can cancel the 4 and 4 into 7 power minus 1. So 4 and 4 gets cancelled. Now 2 to the power minus 2 is 1 by 2 squared minus 5 to the power 3. Minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3. And plus 14 into 1 by 7. 7 to the power minus 1 is 1 by 7. Forgotten that? We understand 7 power minus 1 is 1 by 7? Okay. So now 7 1s are 7 2s are. So it is 1 by 4 minus 125 plus 2. Take the LCM. 4, 1 minus 500 plus 8. 8 plus 1, 9 minus 500 minus 491 by 4. This is the answer. Now, Gayatri, you said by 28, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me multiply 491 by 7 and see. What did you get? Tell me minus.
3,489.
No, if you got minus 3,437 by minus 28, then by 28 you are right. You just have to simplify that. If you got this answer, when I multiply 491 by 7, I get 3437. And 4 into 7 is 28. If you got this answer, yes, this one simplifies to minus 491 by 4. Otherwise, you are wrong. Somewhere you need to check your addition subtraction.
Did a calculation mistake, yeah. In taking LCM and
Oh, you didn't cancel 14 and 7, huh? You took this 14 by 7, and so the LCM was 28 for you?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
Want to take the LCM after we got this?
Sorry?
Want to take this for the solution and want to take.
Oh,
I didn't stop. I stopped at the step.
ah,
I didn't know that.
okay, but this is what you said, is it? 1 by 4 minus. Okay. 125 plus 2, you got, is it? Okay. 2 marks, 1.5 on 2. 1.5 out of 2. 1.5 out of 2. No, don't get it, don't get it.
One 128 expression. Want to understand?
Happy, no?
I got jump scared. He scared me. I got jump scared. When after everyone.
Got it? Yeah.
A is equal to 2 by 19. B is equal to 21 by 19.
You're right, but it's minus.
So,
Very good.
minus A.
No, B value minus. Completed online children? Okay. It's minus 21 by 29. Sorry, minus 21 by 19. Not getting minus?
This one. But the answer is value is kind of.
Correct, yeah.
Value B gets minus.
Okay, it's time completed. Previous page. Sorry?
Yeah.
And we thought it's
நான் பார்த்தேன் இது நீங்க எப்பவுமே தப்பு பண்ணிட்டு நீங்க 3√3 into 3√3 3 தான் 9 தானே 3√3 into 3√3 right 3 3s are 9 2 3 into 3 is 3 but you always do this mistake. Tell me what I'm saying.
3 into 3 is 9.
ஏன் அது 3 போடுறீங்க 3 square to 3 √3 square to 3 போடுமா square பண்ணா 3 2 square root 2 தான் root 2 square root 2 தான் see mistake பண்ணலாம் அவ்வளவுதான்
Yeah, when I'm working, I will do it.
then how many marks are in this?
It can be for 3 or 4 marks. 4. 4. See, we can do it in 2 ways. When you look at the denominators, they're conjugates, right? So you can take the LCM and save time. Look at the denominators, they're conjugates. 3√3 minus 2√2. Sanjay, are you listening? 3√3 minus 2√2 and 3√3 plus 2√2. When the denominators are conjugates, see, like here you cannot take the LCM. Here, because we have different denominators. And moreover, we have 3 different expressions there. And we don't see conjugates. They're all completely different, the denominators. So here you have to work the answer in step 1, step 2, step 3, and the final answer in step 4. Here we have 2 expressions connected by a plus sign, wherein the denominators are conjugates of one another. So you can take the LCM here. You can take the LCM. So what's the common denominator? The product of the denominators. 3√3 minus 2√2 into 3√3 plus 2√2. So it will be 4 into, like cross multiplying, 4 into 3√3 plus 2√2 plus 3 into 3√3 minus 2√2, correct? Is equal to A√2 minus B√3. Multiply 4 into 3√3, 12√3, correct? Plus 4 into, yeah, plus 9√3 minus 6√2 divided by A plus B into A minus B is A squared. 3√3, the whole squared is 9 into 3, 27 minus 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8. is equal to a root 2 minus b root 3. So the numerator 21 root 3 plus 2 root 2 divided by 19 equals a root 2 minus b root 3. So on comparing both the sides, no, I think 4 marks is too much, 3 marks. Okay, on comparing both the sides, we have a root 2 minus b root 3 is equal to 21 root 13 by 19 plus 2 root 2 by 19, right? 21 root 3 by 19. Yeah, you compare this and this. Compare these two and these two.
Then it will be a plus 21 by 19. Then how can you see the minus?
Okay. So on comparing both the sides, we have a root 2 is equal to 2 root 2 by 19. So root 2 gets cancelled. So a is equal to 2 by 19. Comparing minus b root 3 with 21 root 3 by 19. Root 3 gets cancelled on both the sides. Minus b is 21 by 19. So b is equal to minus 21 by 19. Like if you get a, minus a is equal to 5, a is equal to minus 5, right? Yeah. Three marks. Three marks. You got it actually. Full marks, 3 on 3. Where did you go wrong? Yeah, you can give step marks. Well,
I didn't do it together. I did step mark. 18 marks.
okay.
So if I just do one step.
So shall I say 1.5 or 2? 2 on 3? Okay.
It's probably 18 marks, miss.
We haven't finished. So far 18, is it?
Yes, miss.
Okay, then we'll take another 2 mark questions, so it will become 20. Have you totaled it correctly? Just total all of you? Not your marks. The total marks so far. Yeah. Yeah, tell me. How much?
18 is so much for miss.
Okay, let me do 3 plus 2, 5 plus 3, 8, 9, 13, 16. 16. So we'll take a 4 mark question now. Or 2 marks questions. I'll see. Okay, this is a 2 mark question. Try this. Evaluate Let's make this 1.5 marks. Yeah, and we'll make this 2.5. First one, 8th one.
It's possible. 3 by it's possible 13 by 39 is 1 by 9, 13 by 39. 1 by 9.
No,
13 by 39.
13 by
39.
no. Close but wrong.
No, 1 by 9.
13 by check that. Numerator is right. Denominator is wrong.
Mom,
Yeah, just a minute, Gayatri. I'm coming. Just a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Third thing, like 41.
Why 41 then? What is the denominator?
It's like this. Yes, sir, I know.
Okay. First one. So what's answer? 13 by? Okay. So yeah, somebody here, Gayatri, you wanted to share your answer for the 8th one?
yes, ma'am. I got it as 13 by 33.
Correct. 13 by 33 is correct. So what's common in the numerator?
3 power 28.
Correct. So 3 power 2 plus 3 power 1
3,
plus
ma'am,
3
that's
power
it, yeah.
0. 3 to the power. Take 28 itself common so that you can cancel. Take 28 itself common so you can cancel this straight away. So it will be 3 to the power 3 plus 3 to the power 2 minus 3 to the power 1. So you get 9 plus 3 plus 1 over 9 plus not 9, 27 plus 9 minus 3. 13 by 33. Take out common in the numerator and the denominator. In the denominator, you can even take 3 to the power 29 common. But I have taken 3 to the power 28 because I can straight away cancel. I'm not explaining why we get 3 squared in the bracket. You need to think and understand. So no marks. I think Gayatri gets 1.5 for 1.5. Here, no. Nuved, you were close. Did you take out common like this?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Anybody else? No. Nobody here. Okay. So how much will you give yourself for 1.5? Half?
Half, miss.
Okay. Next one. Understood the terms in the bracket, Shreya? Okay. Yeah. Now tell me what should we find in order to find the value of a squared minus b squared? What values you need? Okay, a and b. Okay, after that?
And the A minus A plus B.
Ah.
That will actually.
No, that's fine. All that you will do, in order to find the value of a squared minus b squared, you will find the values of which 2 or 3 expressions. Yeah, you tell me. You were right.
A plus B.
Correct. What is a squared minus b squared? It is
A plus B.
a plus b into a minus b. It's an identity, right? Sanjay, you're hiding yourself. A plus b into a minus b, right? Yeah, so you should find a plus b, find the value of a plus b, find the value of a minus b, and multiply to get the value of a squared minus b squared.
And AB value.
AB we don't need because a squared minus b squared is a plus b into a minus b. Four minus 4 root 5. B is 1 by a means what? B is a reciprocal of a. So you can straight away write 2 plus root 5 by 2 minus root 5 because B is the reciprocal of a.
Nine minus 4.
So what is it?
-9 plus.
So it'll be, when you take the minus to the numerator, it'll be -9 minus 4 root 5. Minus in brackets, you will have 9 plus 4 root 5. So which is -9 minus 4 root 5. So now a squared minus b squared.
I want to find the A plus B.
Oh, I didn't find this. Sorry. I'm sorry. A plus b is equal to -9 plus 4 root 5. -9 minus 4 root 5. Correct. Minus 144. Correct. So we need to rationalize the denominator for a and b, then find a plus b, a minus b, and multiply to get a squared minus b squared. And here what's the denominator? -1. So what do you do with -1? Take the minus to the numerator. Every term in the numerator, you should change the sign. Follow that very carefully, okay? When you take the minus to the numerator, put a minus and in bracket, write the terms. So in the next step, that minus sign should be applied to every term in the numerator. Or 20. Okay, that's good. Yeah, total your marks, online children. And share your marks on WhatsApp. Or you can, if you total, you can just tell me now. Yeah. Should I show the previous slide?
Um,
Yeah, that's why I never something down. So you can take your book home. I saw the way you work. I saw everybody's book I saw today. See,
can you say how much is the second question's mark and 6 questions? 6, 7, 2, 6, and 7.
2,
Marks.
6, and 7.
Yes, ma'am.
2 is for 4 marks.
Yes, ma'am.
6 is 2 marks.
Yes, ma'am.
And 7 is 3 marks. Put it on mute, no? Or do you answer the call? Then put it on mute. Put it on silent mode. Yeah.